I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on sending money to the Philippines. How to send money Remitly to GCash. Let's begin. So first thing that you want to do is head over to the App Store and download the Remitly app. So once you've opened the app, it's going to ask you to choose your language. I'll be using English for this example. So once it's done, select Continue. And at the bottom, you'll have two options, either to create a new profile or to log in if you already have a profile. If you already have an account, go to the bottom and select I already have a profile. But for this video, we are going to be selecting Create a new profile. Now it says where do you want to send money? So at the From section, we will be choosing the United States. And at the To section, we will choose the Philippines. Then select Next. Now it says Remitly wants to use Remitly.com to sign in. Select Continue. From here, it's going to ask you to create your Remitly profile. So you're going to have to enter in your email address, password, and then you have to confirm your password and then sign up. Or alternatively, you can use your Google or Apple account to create it. And it's also going to give you the option to use your Face ID if you want to log into your accounts faster. You can simply go to the bottom and select the Send option. From here, you can enter in the amounts that you want to send in dollars. Afterwards, if you go to the Philippines section, it's going to show you the conversion rate. So on a delivery method, you're going to have a bunch of options, either to use mobile money, bank deposits, debit card deposits, and so on. We're going to be using mobile money. And here are the most popular ones to use. We will be using GCash. Then you can also select your payment method, either debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, or bank accounts. Now, please keep in mind that if you do want to use your credit card, there's going to be a 3% fee that's going to apply. So we will be using our debit card. And as you can see, there is no flat fee. Afterwards, simply go to the bottom and select Continue. Then you have to enter in the information of the recipient. Now you have to enter in the recipient's phone number. Now, please pay careful attention. If you go to the bottom there, it says, please verify your recipient's phone number. You can lose the transfer amounts if incorrect information is provided. So please keep that in mind. Select Continue. Now it says here, would you like us to text your recipients with transfer updates? Say yes, please. Now it is time to enter in your details, your first name, last name, and date of birth. Then select Continue. And it's going to ask you to confirm your information. Once you've confirmed everything, select Confirm. Then it's going to ask you to enter in your address. Once you're done, select Continue at the bottom. And it's going to ask you to enter in your phone number. From here, it's going to ask you to select your payment method. So you're going to add in your new card, or you can either use Apple Pay or add your bank account. So once you're done entering your card details, the expiration date, security code, and the name that appears on your card, you will be charged after selecting Next. After you've been charged, the amount is going to be sent to your recipient. The link to sign up for Remitly will be in the description. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.